guys, what's up? It's Bunny. Sorry if my throat, my voice sounds weird. I am sick. That's why I'm not at school today. And before you see this, I just want to tell you that this does not this doesn't really work. Like, you can only see this on your computer. So yeah, today I'm going to be telling you how to duplicate your items on trade, but only you can see them. So yeah. Okay. So first, you want to place down a random item, any item really. I'm gonna use my spike though because, yeah. They want to exit out. Then I figured this out. You want to go to item. So see this? You can get this at the carnival, summer carnival. Place down a cotton candy hat. Wait. Okay, let me try again. So you want to place down cotton candy hat. And look at all these spikes. And if you place down a pearl bracelet, that happens. If you place down that, this happens. Let's see if you place down these shoes, so you can just try to place down all of these. So look at all these good items that we got, but remember, no one else can see them. So yeah, bye guys.